Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are diving into LawBlocks AI, a legal tech ecosystem that's reshaping how legal services are delivered globally. In this video, I am going to explain each and every aspect of the LawBlocks AI, and this video is going to be very informative. Dear viewers, I would like to clarify that this video is made for educational and informational purposes only. Nothing here should be taken as legal or financial advice. Always consult qualified professionals before making any investment decision. So first of all, we will discuss about LawBlocks AI. LawBlocks AI merges artificial intelligence with blockchain technology, offering a smarter and more secure way to handle documents, legal processes, and dispute resolution across borders. So here you can see that this is a legal tech ecosystem, and here you can subscribe the lawblocks.io. Key features of LawBlocks, you can watch it, and here you can check the overview of LawBlocks AI, and here you can see the amazing feature of LawBlocks AI. First one is AI generated legal documents tailored to your state and country, and the second one is global AI for legal, medical, and general information, and third one is for sharing and editing of legal documents with timestamp, and the fourth feature is about Web3 e-signature, digital signature, only solution of its kind, and the fifth feature is about secure documents uploads on IPFS of XDC blockchain. And the next one is ADR, alternative dispute resolution, mediation and arbitration for dispute resolution. And the seventh one is global online legal solutions via experts. And the eighth one is about international mediation and arbitration courts. Mediation is about dialogue and mutual agreement. On LawBlocks AI, parties who face a dispute can come together digitally with the help of neutral mediator. The mediator's role is not to impose a decision but to guide both sides towards a fair solution. It's faster than going to court. It encourages collaboration and preserves professional or business relationships. And it happens fully online with the security of Web3 technology. So you can choose your mediators for ADR and contribute as a mediator. You just need to sign up as an advocate. You can create your profile and you can begin mediation. You can contribute as a mediator. And the next question is, why choose LawBlocks AI for mediation? Here is the answer. And if you have any question, you can find out the details. So this is an amazing opportunity for the people who need mediators in alternative dispute resolution. Another amazing feature of LawBlocks AI is arbitration. Arbitration goes one step further. Instead of just guiding discussions, an appointed arbitrator listens to both parties and makes a binding decision. It's recognized internationally, so outcomes can be enforced across borders. It's private, secure, and avoids lengthy traditional court procedures. With LawBlocks AI, arbitration is conducted digitally, backed by AI efficiency and blockchain-based time stamping. You can also contribute as an arbitrator. You need just sign up as an advocate, create your profile, and you can begin arbitrating. So here you can check the arbitration process with LawBlocks AI. First of all, you will have to sign up or log in. Then you will have to navigate to the arbitrators and mediators. Then you will have to select your preferred arbitrator, and then you will have to send a message. And after this, you can book one-on-one session with the legal arbitration expert. So this is the process by which arbitration works on LawBlocks. Here you can check out the benefits of law blocks, AI arbitration, speedy resolutions, cost-effective expert arbitrators, AI-powered platform, flexible and convenient, global access, confidential proceedings are the amazing benefits of law blocks AI arbitration. So, dear viewers, it provides amazing feature, and here you can check the workflow of AI-powered legal smart contracts, how it works and how it's structure. And here you can also purchase LBT token, swap your existing crypto assets for LBT token seamlessly. So here you can see that first of all you will have to select LBT to receive, and the next one is we will select USDT, USDC or Ethereum to buy the to purchase LBT token. So here you can see that I have selected USDT, and here you will have to put your wallet address, and then here you will have to put your email address. After putting these data, you can buy LBT token. So here you can check the plans that scale with growth pricing system. So dear viewers, this is the freemium plan. It means free. It provides free access to basic AI powered documents automation, and this is a basic plans, and it costs $20 per month, and the professional plan is $79 per month, and the enterprise plan offers you custom prices. So if you want to achieve this, you can request access. So links have been provided here. You can check the pricing, and here you can also read the resources written by the professionals about this platform, and I would like to recommend all my viewers to read out these resources. And here you can check the testimonials of clients and advocates. Here you can read out and you can find the testimonials. How I will explain how can you register your account. So the process is simple. Just click the register button, and here you can see that you can create your account, register to connect with trusted attorneys or find legal support, choose your role to get started. You can choose as attorney, and you can also use as user. First of all, you will have to enter your name, first name and then second name. After this, you will have to enter your email, and then you will set your password, and then you will have to confirm your password. After filling these data, you can successfully register your account. So dear viewers, here you can also check the link tree of the LawBlocks AI. Here all the links have been combined, all resources in one place. You can click these links and get detailed information about LBT USDT listing. LawBlocks AI is expanding into the crypto space with LBT USDT trading pairs now available on the leading exchanges like Bionomy. Here you can check the LBT USDT trading pair. Its price is 0.13 to 24-hour change. You can check out the 24-hour volume, and here you can also check out its 24-hour high, 24-hour low. You can buy it, and here you can check its details. So it's available on Bionomy, and here you can also check the LBT USDT trading pair on BuyTrue. So here you can check its price is going to be 0.1319, and 24-hour change is showing 0.14% increase, 24-hour high, 24-hour low. And here you can also check its market cap and its ranking, and you can trade it, you can swap it, you can buy it, you can sell it. Here you can check the price chart, and price is going up and up. So here you can see that it is showing some potential in moving upward. And here you can also see the LBT USDT trading pair on Bitmart. Here you can see its price is 0.132365 US dollar, 24-hour change, 24-hour high. Here you can also check the further details. Here you can see that you can buy it, you can sell it, you can limit it, and here you can also check further details. And here you can check its trading data, 50% buy and 89.7% buy ratio. This creates more accessibility for the community to engage with projects ecosystem. Here viewers, you can get LawBlocks token LBT from the XSP swap. Here you can see LawBlock token price is showing 0.129. There viewers, here you can see that you can select tokens XDC, XSP and USDC. So if we select XSP, here you can see we can get LBT tokens. If we have 1000 XSP, we can get 3.1735 LBT tokens. Here you can check the XSP price and here you can check the LBT price. 1 LBT is equal to 315.109 XSP. Here you can check the monthly chart and here you can check the stats of the LBT. TVL is 16.2K US dollar, 24-hour volume is 10.6K. And here you can check the 52 weeks high 0.15 US dollar. And here you can also check the contract address. Dear viewers, here you can see that total contract uploaded is 164,884. Here is the LBT smart contract address. So dear viewers, here you can check the maximum total supply of LBT and here you can check the number of holders, that is 5,564. So dear viewers, here you can see that number of total holders is 5,564 and here you can check the total transfers is 154,454. Here you can also check the on-chain market cap. Here you can check the circulating supply of market cap and here you can also check the market price of the LBT token. LawBlock AI is offering amazing offer for the next 4,500 users. LawBlock AI is giving the services free for the next 3 months. So dear viewer, this is a big news. 3 months free service for the next 4,500 users. And this is the LawBlock's AI Twitter page. I would like to recommend all my viewers to follow the official LawBlock's AI Twitter handle for the latest announcements, event updates, and educational posts. It's the fastest way to stay in the loop. And the next one is the Telegram community of the LawBlock's AI. Stay connected with the LawBlock's AI Telegram community to receive instant updates, ask questions, and engage directly with the global user base. Dear viewers, LawBlock's AI is redefining legal tech by blending AI, blockchain, and international expertise into a single ecosystem. From document creation to blockchain secure storage and cross-border dispute resolutions, it's a platform built for the future. You will find all relevant links conveniently located in the video description. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and share it with others. For ongoing updates on cryptocurrency and blockchain based projects, be sure to subscribe and stay connected with our channel. Thank you for your time and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.